nag-celebrate sila ng 16th anniversary tour. Hop. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Ito yung path, dire-diretso. Ang galing. Ito mo yung underground na daanan. Kasi sa taas of lang eh. Mga businesses din. Oh my. Ito yung ganda dito. Kahit malayo. So welcome sa Toronto center nila. Okay, yung railway system. Alright, great day. Dito tayo ngayon sa Central Terminal. Mamaya din tayo sasakay. Ito nyo nga, buy muna ako dito. Yun yung station. It was built between the designers of Cosmo and McDonald's. Jones, subsequent to the relocation of the tracks. It was opened in 1927. It is the finest example erected in the classical building and era of expansion. Imposing great hall, dramatic enclosed space. Okay. Ta-da! So grandeur. Alright, great day. I'm going to this convention, Comic-Con. Yeah, dimaga tayo. Hello guys, so in Toronto and going inside for Comic-Con. Toronto. Oh, diba? Toronto pa. Nagahan ka na. Para hindi okay. Voice Master in Comic-Con, Toronto. Ayan. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm from the Philippines and I'm covering this event.
Okay, yeah. Are you on the press list?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
Although I have ticket also at the same time.
Okay, let me check to see if you're on our list. What's your name?
I'm not on the list.
Oh, okay. So if you have tickets, you can go up that escalator
No
there.
problem. Alright. Comic-Con. Ayan. I have my badge. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Kaibahan sa Pilipinas nito. Look at that. Hello. Isa-isay natin to. No? Open din itong Comic-Con. First time kong naka-attend ng international. Alright. Look at them. Yeah. Oh yeah, voice talent. So ganyan kasikat yung mga dito.
Over 2, test code 1, 2.
Last one, selfies. Because they are like, since there's no...
Very welcome. Well, thanks for driving.
2,
Got
test
somebody
code
in
1.
the Marvel Universe coming out, and I can't really talk about these projects, but it'll be later this year, like September. Yeah, I was Todd. I was also Mega Man, Star Force, and those were my early anime gigs. I also played Transformers, Robots in Disguise, and Zatch Bell. I played Kyo. That anime was at the beginning of my career.
Thank you. Hello, great day everyone. Ayan, ikot na tayo na. Interview ko na yung voice actor, si JB Blanc at si Jason Tisak. Okay na yan. Ang mahal ng bayad ha, 40 Canadian dollar. Diyos ko, kung pwede nga lang sa Pilipinas yun. Ayan, isa-isahin natin. Dadaanan ko lang lahat. Baka may matipuan ako kahit maliit. Okay. Pero kung ano naman. Eh, mga voice talent. Ay, nakapila sila doon. Mga Wilson. Pero okay lang. Anime din. Kakaiba yung mga tao dito. Diba? Sige lang. Wow. Yung si Gandalf pa. Okay na yan. Saya na ako. Nakabili. Ikot lang. Pagka-ikot. Tapos na nakabili. Wala na akong paglalagyan. May kaiju kaya dito.
1, testing 2, testing 1, testing 2.
Ang galing naman ko. Sobrang daan. Where are you from?
Born here.
I like-
Family's from.
Kumusta? I like your gambit.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Can I have that?
You can.
With your... Yes, for 20
Printer-
bucks, right?
Printer 20. I have it in other forms also. Sticker, magnet,
Okay.
and mini print. The original has sold.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I just want a small one.
Yeah, sure.
Nice work.
Thank you.
Very, very beautiful. I will follow you on your Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah.
I hope you can join the ToyCon and Comic Con in the Philippines soon.
It has my digitally, and then which ones were made like,
Yeah.
with pen and ink. Let me just find Superman and Batman.